Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Gems. Today we're going to be working on a 1993 Honda Street. We're going to be doing a manual fluid exchange. The process will be the same for a Honda Acty and a Honda Beat as well. To start, we're going to need 3 bottles of Honda transmission fluid, a simple 3/8 ratchet with a 17mm drive, a funnel with a hose, or you can use a fluid pump. So let's begin. For the first part, we're going to have to locate the fill plug and the drain plug. The fill is a 17mm head, and then the drain is just a 3/8 portion. Slips right over that. So always loosen the fill plug first, and then we'll loosen the drain plug right after. Alright, just have your drain pan ready. Wait till it stops flowing, then put the drain plug back in. So for the next part, I got my funnel ready with the hose already attached to the bottom, and then I'll show you how it's ran. So the hose is running through here and then into the fill plug. We're done. Easy.